Hello, I'm going to welcome you to my grow, my flower. This is basically a nice little closet. I can hold a couple of trays that are 2 feet by 2 feet, so got about 8 square feet there. Um, 400 watt HPS. Got a single Kush plant that's about ready for harvest, but what I really wanted to show you was the neat little watering system that I got. As you can see, I got a nice little 5-gallon pail down here that I can fill up with water, and inside it I've got a pump. And when I turn the pump on, that brings the water up into the top of this plastic lined tray. As you can see it coming out there. Eventually it'll flood the entire tray, and then the water will drop right back down into a hole, where it then goes back into the pail to be recycled. And I can water as often as I want, or not. I could put this on a timer if I wanted to. Gives me a good chance to water the plants from the bottom up. That's basically about a $25 water pump that I got off Amazon, and a little bit of some plastic tubing, and that's about it. The tray is a bread tray, basically a sheet of plastic lining it with the hole, so that the water can drop back down into the plant, into the pail. So there you go, nice little DIY how to water your plants without having to get in there and disturb them. Obviously, if I've got 4 or more plants inside this area, which I could easily do, getting in and watering everybody is going to be pretty difficult. But with this kind of thing, it makes it simple and easy, and it also keeps the plants up off the ground. Grow good.